Converting a Wix website to HTML involves a manual process, as Wix uses a proprietary platform. Here's a simplified guide. Download website content. Visit your Wix website and navigate to each page. Manually save images, text, and any other content you want to retain. Recreate HTML structure. Open a text editor. Begin building the HTML structure, copying content from Wix and pasting it into your HTML files. Organize the structure using HTML tags. CSS styling. Recreate the styling by manually extracting CSS styles from your Wix site. Create a separate CSS file or embed styles within the HTML using style tags. JavaScript. If your Wix site includes JavaScript functionality, you may need to recreate or modify scripts manually. Adjustments for responsiveness. Implement media queries and responsive design to ensure your HTML version adapts to different screen sizes. Linking resources. Update resource links to match the new file structure. Testing. Test your HTML version locally to ensure functionality and responsiveness. Domain and hosting. Purchase a domain and choose a hosting provider to publish your HTML website.